So, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis adalah satu proses yang bertentangan with the process of cellular respirations. Dalam topik before this, cellular respiration, kita belajar tentang molekul ataupun organik molekul. Organic molecules such as glucose. Dalam keadaan wujudnya oksigen, in the presence of oxygen, akan berlakunya proses cellular respiration. Dan cellular respirations ni dia akan menghasilkan, will generate ATP dan juga akan membebaskan carbon dioxide dan juga water. Kemudian carbon dioxide dan juga water ni akan digunakan dalam proses photosynthesis. Dan fotosintesis nanti akan menggunakan carbon dioxide dan juga water dalam keadaan in presence of sunlight, menghasilkan organic molecule which is glucose dan juga oksigen. Organism yang mengalami fotosintesis adalah organism yang kita panggil sebagai autotroph. Autotroph adalah organism yang autotroph is the organism that consists of chlorophylls ataupun have chlorophylls in that organisms. So this organism can undergo photosynthesis. Then kalau kita sebutkan organelle, so organelle yang penting dalam proses fotosintesis adalah chloroplast. We look at the equations of the photosynthesis. For the photosynthesis, general equation is 6 carbon dioxide combined with the 6 molecules of water membentuk C6H12O6 plus with the 6 oxygens. Di mana kita kata 6 carbon dioxide combined with the 6 molecules of water and will form 1 molecules of glucose and release oxygens. Or another equation is, we can use 6 carbon dioxide combined with the 12 H2O to form C6H12O6 which is glucose, and then release 6 oxygens and 6 H2O. And tadi we discussed about the photoautotroph, means organism that have chlorophyll. And chlorophyll ni for the eukaryotic organism, we can found in the organelle known as the eukaryote. For the eukaryote, so organelle is chloroplast. And chloroplast ni actually abundant in the mesophyll. So mesophyll ni dekat mana? So kalau kita tengok struktur daun, contoh, katalah ini adalah permukaan daun. Kita ada liang stoma. And carbon dioxide akan masuk. Dan juga sini akan keluarnya oksigen. So means berlakunya gases exchange melalui stoma. When carbon dioxide itu masuk, pada daun, they have mesophyll. And in the mesophyll we can found the chloroplast. Yang ini kita kenali sebagai mesophyll palisade. And kita ada mesophyll ataupun spongy mesophyll. Yang ini spongy, yang ini palisade. Okay, and kita keluarkan structures of chloroplast. Okay, kalau we looks at the structures of chloroplast. Okay, chloroplasts have outer membranes. They have double membrane and consist of fluid filled cavity, we known as a stroma. Okay, and in the stroma, they have disc-like structure we call as thylakoid, and stacks of thylakoid ni we call as grana or granum dalam bentuk plurals. Okay, so pentingnya we know about the structures of chloroplast. Okay, when we talking about the thylakoid, okay, this is structures of thylakoid. Okay, pada thylakoid ni, okay, this is a membrane of thylakoid. Okay, yang ini adalah space ataupun thylakoid space. And in the membranes of thylakoid, okay, consists of photosynthetic pigment. And photosynthetic pigment ni function dia to absorb, okay, function to absorb visible light. Visible light which is violet blue, to red. Okay, or wavelength is 380 nanometer to 750 nanometer. Okay, why leaf look green? Okay, actually because of leaf will absorb all the color which is violet blue to red color, but it's reflected the green color. Okay, and if they absorb all the color, so means that the leaf will be look like black. Okay, kita tengok pada photosynthetic pigment. Okay, photosynthetic pigment ni terbahagi kepada primary pigment dan juga accessory pigment. Okay, we have primary pigment. Okay, primary pigment which is consists of chlorophyll A, okay, they have chlorophyll A, chlorophyll A, which you have two types of chlorophyll A, so P700 and P600A80. Okay, for chlorophyll A, the color is blue, green. Okay, and other pigment is we call as accessory pigment. Okay, accessory pigment ni, okay, they have chlorophyll A ataupun others chlorophyll A. Means other ni adalah selain daripada chlorophyll P700 dan juga P600Na80. Okay, the color still blue green. Okay, and then we have chlorophyll B. Okay, so chlorophyll B, the color is olive green. And they have carotenoid. And carotenoid ni, they have keratin. Okay, which is orange in color. Okay, they have xanthophyll, which is yellow in color, and have phyophytin, grey in color. And nanti we will learn about the photosystem. Okay, what is a photosystem? Okay, photosystem actually kita mention about the light capturing unit. Is a light capturing unit. Okay, and located in the located at thylakoid membrane. Ataupun kita katakan sekumpulan fotosintetik pigment yang tertanam pada membranes of thylakoid. So kita cerita yang dekat sini. Okay, when we do cross sections, okay, kita ada sekumpulan photosynthetic pigment. Okay, consists of reaction center. Okay, wajib untuk setiap photosystem akan ada reaction center. And pada reaction center ni, they have primary pigment yang tadi kita discuss, which is chlorophyll A, sama ada chlorophyll P700 ataupun P600NA80. Okay, and seterusnya. Okay, yang ini kita panggil sebagai, all these kita panggil sebagai light harvesting complex. Okay, ataupun kita kata dia sebagai pigment yang kita discuss di sini tadi. Okay, yang ada chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B dan juga carotenoid, ataupun kita panggil dia sebagai pigment molecule. Okay, and seterusnya, you all kena tahu sebelum kita masuk kepada detail proses. Okay, so kita tahu photosystem functionnya adalah untuk absorb, ataupun photosystem adalah satu groups of photosynthetic pigment that which is function untuk absorb photon. Okay, so kita nak tengok apa yang berlaku bila this pigment molecule absorb the photon. Okay, for the accessory pigment, okay, so ini adalah accessory pigment. And pada accessory pigment ataupun pigment molecule, they have electron at the center of a molecules, ataupun presence of electron in the molecules. Okay, first, when these primary molecules absorb photon. Okay, so first step. Okay, so they will cause the electron will be excited. Okay, so when excited, so means yang ni akan hilang this electron. They lost this electron and it's become this one excited state. Okay, number 2, and it's become high energy. Okay, when they achieve a high energy molecules, so they become unstable. Okay, so macam biasa bila kita ada kat tempat tinggi, so kita unstable, so they will cause this electron will be drop back to a ground state. Okay, and when it drop back to a ground state, so they will release energy in the forms of heat, what we call as photon. Okay, and this photon will transfer to another accessory pigment, and again this process kita panggil sebagai Okay, so this process kita panggil sebagai photoactivation. Okay, so maknanya photoactivations adalah di mana so electron tu when they absorb the photon, so they will cause the electron will be excited, and this we call as photoactivations. Okay, and seterusnya when this photons pass to another accessory pigment ataupun pigment molecules, so photoactivations occur again. Okay, berbanding photoactivations at the primary pigment or we call as reaction center. Okay, same thing like at the primary pigment. Okay, ini we call as reaction center. So they have electron in the primary pigment molecules, and primary pigment molecule will receive photon ataupun we call as light energy from this pigment molecule. Okay, before this kita dah tengok dah yang dekat atas ni. Okay, kita kata electron will be excited and then dia akan drop back to the ground state and they will release photon ataupun light energy. Okay, bila this reaction center receive the light energy, so this electron will be excited. So means berlakunya photoactivation. Okay, cuma bezanya this electron tidak kembali ataupun never drop back into the ground state, but it received by primary electron acceptor. Okay, inilah molekul primary electron acceptor. Okay, yang ni kita tengok terms of photoactivations. Dan nanti kita akan learn about the photolysis of water. Okay, untuk photolysis of water, kita cerita tentang the word is lysis, mean breaks ataupun splits of water. So which is H2O in the presence of sunlight will break kepada ataupun will split into the half oxygen, 2 hydrogen ion and 2 electron. Okay, these 2 hydrogen ion, they will release in the thylakoid space. These 2 electron will replace loss of electron at photo ataupun P600Na 80 ataupun we call as PS1. Okay, saya terlupa. So untuk chlorophyll A, we have P700 dan juga P680. So P700 we call as PS1 and P680 is PS2. So yang ini saya tulis apa? Yang ini PS2, sorry. Okay, so which is oxygen ni nanti akan bergabung dengan combine with other oxygens and they will release into the air. Okay, so untuk photolysis of water, so water ni will split kepada half oxygen, 2 hydrogen ion dan juga 2 electron. Okay, and half oxygen will combine with other oxygen will release into the airs, while H plus will be released in the thylakoid space and 2 electron will be used to replace the loss of electron at P680 or we call as PS2. Okay, and another term is photophosphorylation, which is synthesis of ATP coupled to the transport of electron that have been excited by photon or light energy. Okay, so means that you have to remember the terms of photoactivations. Okay, photolysis of water dan juga phosphorylation. Dan yang penting kena tahu beza antara photoactivations yang berlaku pada accessory pigment ataupun pigment molecules. Okay, difference with the primary pigments. Okay, kalau accessory pigment, the electron will be excited and drop back to the same primary pigment. Okay, and they will release heat or we pass the light or we will pass the photon to another pigment molecules. Okay, but for the primary pigment, they will receive photon, okay, from the photoactivations of primary molecules and they will cause the excited of electron of reaction center and pass to the primary electron acceptor.